Okay, this is our first official ever garlic harvest. You saw my previous video, I pulled this one up on Friday and it looks pretty good. So I say we're just gonna give it a go. See how this all turns out. So they say you shouldn't just pull them right up. However, my soil is very loose, but I'm not gonna risk it because I think these. Oh yeah, look at there. Looky there, that was even a little one. We planted these. Wow, that's nice, huh? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing down there? Very happy so far with how this is turning out. We really had no idea, since this was our first time growing it. We planted it in middle to late October, and it's May 28th. We noticed that the leaves were starting to die off and starting to get yellow up here on the tips, so we'll take these and cure them in probably in the garage. Once we get them all harvested for like 3 or 4 weeks, we hang them up and let them dry until they're just crispy. And then once they're crispy, we'll trim them up about right here and cut the roots off, or Mrs. Giving it a go may try her hand at braiding these so we can have one in the kitchen. So anyway, I'll dig a few more of these up and then I'll fast forward through the rest of it so you don't have to sit through watching me dig 500 of these things up, or however many there are. So here goes. I think we're taking the perfect time. Another good one. And another good one. Uh-oh. Oh no, it's two separate ones. Uh-oh. That could be the biggest one we got. You see it in there? Definitely we'll grow these again. Wow, way better than I thought. We're good. Whoops, forgot one. Oh, he's cute. He's cute. I'd just eat him right now. Gonna follow these up with carrots. Probably here in a couple of months. Surprise, surprise, maybe they'll get some bush beans in here until then. So we turned the water off on these about a week ago, just to kind of let the soil, you know, dry out a little bit, but it's still, I'm just amazed at this bed. This bed is just so rich. We've never grown carrots before, so that'll be a first for us, but stay tuned. We're gonna get these all set up on a table, and then we'll be back to close this out. But I'm going to say I will be growing garlic again this way. This is, there's probably 100 heads of garlic here, and that if we cure them right, they should last us until, you know, hopefully going into early next year. So you know, we can get another round planted. Anyway, stick with us. We'll be right back, and I'll show you what the whole harvest looks like. Button on top. Okay, there it is in all its glory. This is a 3x6 table, and there are 95 heads of garlic right here, out of a 4x8 raised bed garden. Too easy. We planted cloves in late October, early November, covered them with leaves that we raked up from the yard, and didn't do anything with them. Let them sit until this spring. I fertilized these guys one time with fish emulsion. Watched them. I mean, they grew like wildfire once spring hit. I mean, they just went nuts. Once the bottom leaves started turning brown and some of these top leaves started turning brown, we figured it was time to harvest, so we harvested them. But 95 garlic, anybody can grow these. These are too easy to grow. Loose soil, that was probably a key, because, you know, when the bulbs pop out, they need a little room to move. Fortunately, that soil that was in there was in our grow bags from our sweet potatoes last year that were a flop. I'll tell you about that in another video. And we poured that in there. We put raked up leaves in there, and we put some black cow compost on at the beginning of the year. One fertilization with fish emulsion, and that was it. I mean, this is what you get. This is amazing. I mean, this is enough garlic to last us a year probably. So with that said, I'll give you a few close-ups of this thing, and we'll call Garlic Harvest 2023 a resounding success. So give it a go. Anybody can do it. Till next time.